How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today, I'm sharing with you guys one of the best products that I've ever found as both a motorcycle rider, both a motorcycle shop owner, and both a motorcycle dealership owner. This product is made by a company called GoPro. This comes in very handy if your bike already has cruise control, and I mean cruise control as being electronic cruise control. You hit a button and it electronically controls the speed of your motorcycle. Skip this video. If your bike has anything else, especially those death knobs that Harley Davidson was so fond of putting on their bikes for so long, watch this video. As far as cruise controls for motorcycles go, there's a couple different options out there. I've never been, honestly, a very big fan of any of the other ones. Personally, I just don't feel safe riding with them. Outside of, again, electronic cruise control, I'll use that over this. But for anyone else looking for cruise control on any bike, any scooter, anything with a twist grip, this GoPro is without a doubt the best item on the market. So what this does is, I'm actually going to open this one up so we can see it. When you buy this, it's going to come with this little ring, this rubber ring. You're going to stretch this over the grip of your motorcycle and put it inwards into the position right here on your grip. Couple tips, if you did buy one of these and you're looking for how to install it, a little bit of soapy water goes a long way. Also to a zip tie. If you take a zip tie in there and allows you to work it around, just be careful not to cut into the actual material there, because you do want this thing to stay nice. And then in the unit includes this GoPro, and this is the second rendition of it. Initially, GoPros were a plastic, like wishbone style, so you didn't really have a tension's choice on how to be. These do include this little adjustable thing here. It allows you to open and close the opening here. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide this over your bike. And you're going to see here there's two different pads. This one has this sheen to it. This one has nothing. So you're going to want it that the sheen side is towards your lever. I can actually show you here. Should we do that? Let me show you how one of these goes on. I'm not going to install the grip though. So here we have a 2018 Harley Davidson Breakout. You spend $18,000 to $20,000 from Harley on a bike, and it doesn't even come with cruise control. There's one simple fix for that. So again, as you're looking here, you're going to see the sheen side. That's the side that's going to go towards your brake lever. So you're just going to open this thing up. And now I did not install that rubber nylon thing here just because I don't need it to show you this general first bit. So you're going to place this over your grip, and it's going to clamp onto that nylon pad that you should have on here if you're actually going to use it. You're just going to close this thing up until you feel like it has a decent amount of tension. Now this is something I will tell fully up front. I will tell you about using this. I end up adjusting this thing a lot as I go down the road. Not to say I'm adjusting it every mile, but depending on what kind of road you're on, how much speed, things like that, you need to have a different case here. So you're just going to simply, to use this, let's just say you want to lock your throttle. So as you're riding down the road, you're at the speed you want to be. You use your pointer finger, push it down, and what that's going to do is it's going to lock your throttle. You'll still be able to accelerate, but it's going to lock your throttle on that thing simply using your brake lever. Now as far as canceling it, and one reason why I call Harley Davidson's typical throttle locks death knobs is because those you have to untwist quick, or hopefully not rip your throttle cable. This you simply just roll off and it's back to the basics. So these can be purchased online somewhere in the, depending on who you're buying it from, the $15 to $20 range. Go with the GoPro brand. The other brands, I wouldn't trust them with them. These guys spent the money, they figured it out, they're doing it the right way. So support a small company that does a great thing for you. Don't buy a knockoff version of this. But at any rate, I will put a link to this on I will put a link to this for sale on Amazon if you're looking to buy one. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you can, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know if you have one of these, what you think of it. Let me know what you think of it just overall. And as always, hit the subscribe button. You can stay up to date with everything going on here at Siegfried's Motorworks.